So let's talk about what is the Legacy Builder program and who is the Legacy Builder program for. The Legacy Builder program is for anyone that is ready to learn the digital skills so they can learn how to make passive daily pay from home and learn how to make a reoccurring income stream. But you will learn how to do all of that while you are building your brand, building your email list, and building your income. This is such a paint by numbers process, and I absolutely loved it. Because what else you learn inside the Legacy Builder program is you actually learn how to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. How you can be priority focused for 2 hours a day and be able to get your income earning activities done. So here's how it works. You go from launch to profit in 7 days. You literally walk through what to do every single day to go from I'm launching a business, even if you have no following, even if you've never done links before, it's beginner friendly, or even if you try to do something and you haven't had success. So launch to profit in 7 days. And then you have a 30-day growth strategy marketing plan that I would go through. It literally walks you through step by step what to do every day for 30 days. And that's gonna help you build that brand. It's gonna help you build your email list and help you build your income. And so what I love about this is the best learning and earning process that I have truly ever seen. And now what else is great about the Legacy Builder program is you are going to learn how to make $900 a day, which is $328,000 a year. But you're also going to get live and interactive training. We do these trainings on Tuesday. And so I will give you a training, a strategy. I put you in breakout rooms. So you're in breakout rooms with like 4 to 6 other online business entrepreneurs just like you. And you guys can strategize together and game plan. So many people have had breakthroughs in these breakout rooms. And so our goal for 2024 is one, take you launch to profit in 7 days, start helping you learn the skills so you can get some cash flow coming in, and then also create a reoccurring income stream. I want you by December to be making more money in a reoccurring income stream than you do in your reoccurring bills. Can you imagine how different your December will be if you walk into making more money with a reoccurring income stream than you do with your bills, but then you have this passive income coming in. That's to help you build that legacy. That's to help you get out of debt. That's to help you fire your boss. That's to help you never have to take that calculator to the grocery store. And I love that. Now here's the best part. There is no monthly expenses. There is no finding customers. There's no DMing people. There's no having to bother friends and family to buy. We show you a discovery method, how to attract customers to your automations, which is pages just like this. This system we actually give to you for free. It's pages like this, and this that will be out there working for you 24/7. So this is your free system. Now, once you're inside the Legacy Builder program, for $29, you get a done for you website. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. And then all you have to do is plug in some pictures and a few paragraphs about you, and it's ready to go. This website did $3.9 million, I don't know the exact amount, in April of 2024. So it is a proven to work website. So your system is done for you. All you gotta do is plug it in and play. So that's some of the key powerful points about the Legacy Builder. Plus you get to be part of an amazing community. There's like 15,800 people inside the community that are gonna pour on you, love on you. I guarantee you're gonna find an accountability partner, somebody that you can really want to show up for every day, and you can help each other reach your goals and dreams. So if you want to learn more about the Legacy Builder program and the blueprint inside of that will take you from stressed and overwhelmed, not knowing anything about digital marketing, to learning the skills to make daily pay, put ready in the comments because I'd absolutely love to share with you.